Alright, so today for our lesson we're going to be learning about coordinate plane. Coordinate plane is, write this in your notebooks, math journal. Coordinate plane. That should be your title.
We got 2-0.
Your definition for that is right here.
We got cars.
Yes, I got cards.
Not people.
Now, write what a coordinate plane is. Write it. Come on.
Oh, a vertical line.
Actually, you don't have to write it. I'll give you a vocabulary sheet.
And I'm definitely gonna study that.
But I'm gonna hang this up here so you can see it. Coordinate plane. All right, a coordinate plane looks like this. So let me show you. You have an x-axis,
Yeah, x-axis.
right? And you have your y. Now,
Mommy gotta teach me about that.
I am. Your x always goes horizontal. It's like the sun. The sun line is horizontal. It's straight across. That's how you remember x-axis.
That looks like an L. With
Your x-axis is what? Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Good. Good. And your y-axis is always up and down. It is your vertical. Good job. Your vertical line.
Oh,
And I have my definitions up here.
Mommy.
What?
I thought this was a vertical line.
What's a vertical line?
I thought that was a vertical line.
Vertical line is up and down.
Oh, then what is this?
Diagonal. Up and down is always your y-axis. So, in your notebook, I want you to do y.
So it's like a picture?
And then go over and do x
Mommy,
axis.
is it a picture?
Yes, you're making this picture.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go line down and I'm gonna put a Y with the axis A, S, and then I'm gonna go straight down with the axis. So that's X, A, X, I did it!
Good. So now I'm going to make a graph and I want you to come up and I want you to label it for me. Okay? This is how I'm going to make sure you know what.
A bar graph is?
Nope, it's not a bar graph. It's called a coordinate plane.
I thought you were going back and forth.
So,
Mommy, what do you put in a coordinate plane?
you'll learn it. But first we got to make sure you can label it. Come up and label. Label the y-axis. Where is the y? Where is your x-axis? Good job. Okay, thank you. Awesome. Give me 5.
I just now learned that.
So you got that down pat, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm good.
So now, in order for us to do a coordinate plane, we have to know the points. Points are called our ordered pair.
Ordered pair, do I write that down?
You can. I'm going to give you a definition sheet, a vocabulary sheet for it. Ordered pair means this. Let me show you right here. X, comma, Y.
What is
So, I'm going to explain. So, the x-axis, which is your, what line?
It's fourth grade.
Third grade. What line is this?
That's our x-axis.
But what is it? What's the definition?
Horizontal line.
Good. Your x-axis, which is your horizontal line, always come first.
Yeah.
So,
Why does it come first?
just that. It comes first. So whenever you get an ordered pair, you're going to see this. A number here and a number here. So for instance, let me show you. You might get a number like this. 2, 4.
What is it? 2, 4.
That's an ordered pair. That's what this is.
Oh, like
So-
6, 4, 6, 8, like that?
No,
Like
listen.
that?
2, 4. So let me put it underneath the X and Y so you get an understanding. 2, 4. So what number is the X number?
2.
Yes. And what number is your Y number?
4.
Good job. So remember, your X number always comes first. Good job. So now let me explain to you what the numbers mean.
Yeah, because I don't understand.
And they are your ordered pair. Remember, ordered pair.
Order pair.
Alright, so this is our what? X-axis, right?
Yes.
And this is our Y-axis.
Mommy, why is that our y-axis? I thought the x-axis was supposed to go there and
So come fix it. You're paying attention. Good job. I did that on purpose to see if you remembered. A-X-I-S.
X and the y-axis. This is where they go, Mommy. This is where they go. You said I'm wrong. A and I. That was
Good job. Thank you.
Mommy.
So she corrected me, guys, because I put the y-axis down here as the vertical line and the x-axis, no, I put the y-axis as the horizontal line and I put the x-axis as the vertical line. And she noticed that I had did a mistake and she came and corrected it, which means that she's paying attention. Good job. Thank you. All right, so now if you look, I switched my marker, because I like to make colors when it comes to my point, so this way I know what point is what. When you do your graph, your coordinate plane, you use markers, color pencils. It'll help you out with the understanding better, okay? Now, remember I gave the number 2, 4, right?
Yes.
And we said that was the X and Y, right? So,
Okay, I'm ready.
on a line, on a coordinate plane, they usually give you numbers.
Yeah, but Mommy, do I write down the X and Y?
Yes, you gotta remember this stuff.
And
So they usually give you numbers, okay?
this is like a number line.
Something like it.
This is a number line. Wait, what? You skipped one.
I did not skip nothing.
Then why is there an X with it?
Because that goes with your x-axis. You wrote that, remember? But the
Oh.
number I wrote there.
Okay. Correcting me that. Yeah, I'm just gonna put 0. Oh, so there's no 0? Mommy, there's no 0? 0.
Where it connects, so you see the little corner? That's always your 0.
Oopsies. Okay, I can't even see.
What? It's fine, just leave it there.
2,
And then
3,
you do your numbers on this side.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I skipped that too fast. 9, and 10 is gonna be like that. Okay. I did it, Mommy. Now I'm gonna do this side. Mommy, why is that like that?
What?
Not under the 9. What is that?
It's 7 or 8.
So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and a 1. My line is not.
It's fine.
Okay, so I'm now gonna write the 9 and the 8. Mommy, you don't write the 8 like that. So then 7 and this we got 6 and then a 5 and then a 4 and a 3 and a 2 and a 1.
Ready? Alright, so the 0 is called the origin. Okay? The origin is where something starts, center, or begin. So, remember when you said, well, Mommy, where's the 0? The 0 is our origin. Alright? I'm going to put that here.
Is that the definition on the back?
Yep, this is the definition right here. Alright? Now, we got to find 2. So where will we find 2 at? Will we find it on the y-axis?
No.
Which one will we find it on?
The x.
The what?
The x-axis.
Good job. So let's find 2. I got 2 right here. Now what do we need to find?
Now we need to find the 4.
The 4. Will we find the 4 on the x-axis? No. Where will we find it?
The y-axis.
Good job. So we go over here. So now we got to come up to meet. And you will put a point there. 2 and 4. So that's where your point will go.
Mommy, mine is stuck together.
Again, you have to always leave space. So let's just cross this out.
So I gotta restart all over again. Oh, mommy's doing it. How do you write so fast?
I've been writing for a very long time.
You have?
So you can use these here. You see your lines here? You can use that to make your lines.
You're not doing it straight, Mommy.
It's fine. So this is where your zeros start, remember?
Okay.
And then you do
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, why didn't I stop at 7?
that's all I made room for. I did it big, so.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that.
Alright, now find your 2 and 4 and make a point.
2 and 4 are gonna go up here and there. See, we gotta meet and
Good. Then you make your point. Now I'm going to give you a number and I want you to find it. Ready?
I'm setting my chair. Can my chair off and move to the board?
Come up to the board and do it first and then go back and do it in your notebook.
I saw we have max on. So I gotta find the 4. And the 4 and the 5. Right there.
Okay, go do it in your notebook.
I did it.
Good job.
There's 4 and 5. Gonna go straight up with that and straight here. Right on top of the dot.
Good. So now I'm going to give you another one to do.
I'm actually getting good at this, and I literally just learned it. Practice makes perfect, Mommy.
It does.
Okay, is that a 9?
Yes.
Yeah.
9, 1.
Okay. 9 and a 1. Done. I don't think that's making sound. So a 9 and a 1, then go straight up, and then 9 and go across, and it stops right there. I didn't make sure I stopped right there. It's a 9 and a 1, isn't it?
Okay, go sit.
Yeah, it's not like I made a
Go sit.
I want to check it first. No. Mommy, you could have told me I made a mistake. Oh my God. They need it right there. Okay, Mommy, I had to fix it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you. Go sit.
Did I make a mistake?
Go sit. All right. So, did you make a mistake? I wouldn't do that if I was you. Because you did. Where is the 9?
Oh, so it's on that line. Okay.
Sit.
Wait, Mommy, I know what I did.
Sit.
Mommy, I know what I did.
So let's find it. Where do we find the 9? Do we go to the Y?
No.
And that's what you did.
I made a
So
mistake.
where do we go? We go here.
Yes.
And then we go to the 1 and we come across. So it would be right there.
Yes, I need to watch where my X's and my Y's.
Exactly. Go ahead and mark it in your book.
Okay. I don't got no 9, Mom.
Ah, okay, so you don't mark it. Do 7 and 1 in your book.
So 7 and 9. Did I just knock that down? Okay, I thought I stopped.
Pick your crown up off the floor before it gets broke. Alright, so now we're going to do...
Mommy, you gotta wait. I didn't even mark mine yet.
So go ahead.
I'm gonna play on Pooh's phone when she charges it. When she does it, because she's playing on my phone.
Alright. You want to come up and mark those?
I think I can do it.
Alright, let's see if you
Wait,
can
Mommy,
do it.
but you didn't put it on the X and Y.
But you should know already, shouldn't you?
Oh, so the 9 goes with the X, and the 2 goes with the Y. Okay, okay.
Let's see what you get.
4.
You can also use a ruler.
Thank you. Put that right there. I don't think rulers are a good idea.
Okay, so don't use it. Put it down.
Nyla, get out. I'm working.
Go ahead.
Okay, so 9 and a 4. Now go straight up and stop. No. Yeah, sis, you don't want to be over here. Okay, Mommy.
Go ahead, do the next one. Do one more. I gave you 4 points.
You give me 4 points?
I gave you 4 points to do.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you didn't give me 4 points
Go ahead,
in
do your
class
work.
dojo. No, you go. 2 on 2 and a 1. Bring it up right they made up right there. And yeah, I'm gonna do it right there. And the 0 and the 2. Mommy, I need help with 0. Mommy, how do I do this one?
What did I say the 0 is?
The 0's right here.
Okay.
How am I supposed to make it go up?
You use your 0.
Mm-hmm.
And then find your number on the y-axis. And make your mark.
So the 0 just goes straight up.
Mm-hmm.
So right here, Mommy.
Okay, keep going.
0 part. And the 0. We got another 0. This is on the X line and a 9. So the 9 goes sideways and the thing goes straight. Mommy, how is that supposed to work?
You did it?
No.
Go ahead and do it. It's a tricky question. I wanted to see if you can get it.
Okay, and if I'm wrong, Mommy, this is your fault because
Mm-hmm.
I don't know all of this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Not clicking.
Thank you. Okay. So I gave you 2 tricky questions.
Yeah, and that's the 0s.
Mm-hmm.
And
The 0. The 0 is your origin. It's where everything starts, right?
yeah.
So, you were right. You start at the 0. Then you need to find what number? 2.
Mm-hmm.
You go up and you put your point right there on that line.
Just like I did that, the number 9.
Right there.
Mommy, I did the number 9 like
Yep. And you're right.
So I actually did it?
Yes, you did it. You got it right. Good job. So, you know what your X and Y's are. You know how to make a coordinate plane.
Yeah, and I literally just learned it.
Exactly.
That's
So sometimes if you want, sometimes you'll get pictures, right?
yeah, what is
Pictures will have you connect your dots.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, they just connect your dots.
That's it? Can I
Yeah.
connect my dot?
See? Zoom, 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 zoom.
Can I connect?
And you have
But
to
you didn't
find
do
your
that
point.
top one.
Yeah, I did. I made a little straight line going down. Over.
Oh, okay. I couldn't see it for a second. Okay, I'm gonna do mine.
Mhm.
So I'm just gonna go here, and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go down here.
Good. So, this is a coordinate plane. Except you only did one square of a coordinate plane. Now, what I mean by that is,
But
you got
Mommy,
all of this written down, right? You know how to do it, right?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Mommy,
What?
you know, I gotta tell you something.
What?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. What is the square for a coordinate plane?
A what?
What is a square for the coordinate?
What we just did.
Oh, that's a
We
square?
did one square, right?
So what?
But there's more than one square. This is a full coordinate plane. I'm about to show you.
I don't want to do no full coordinate plane.
Well, you're not going to do that today.
Yeah, it was actually because
This,
there's a full. Wait, do you put them in those each boxes right there?
you put numbers.
Yeah.
My line is a little crooked. So let me use my ruler.
Mommy, it's okay with the cricket because everybody make cricket lines when they need.
So now, remember you said you had your graph notebook?
Uh-huh.
Notebook with the graphs, that's what you're going to use
Look,
this.
Mom.
Huh?
Look, Mama.
That's what you need to use.
Look, Mama.
Yeah, that's
And
what you need to use.
empty.
So, this is an actual coordinate plane. You have 4 boxes. This box over here is where you will put your regular numbers at. When I say regular numbers, I mean this. 0, 1,
Where,
2,
Mommy?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I was wondering about
And the same here.
Mom.
What?
I was wondering about those numbers that Grandma was talking about when I was in the comment. Not today.
No.
But I think that's like a 6th grader.
You focus on this, ma'am.
Just had Mom.
So you should be making this in your notebook.
That's how we are going to do it today.
Use it. Make it in that one. Good. So you see how they gave you a little square? You need to make it on the lines. So you gotta be very precise with your lines. So get a marker.
What color do I do?
I don't care. Whatever color you want.
Where's all the rest of mine?
I don't know. Look in Poota's box. You know how she is.
That one. See if I can find it. You got everything in here, Mommy. You done stole the coloring pencil. I'm trying to fill boxes now. Oh my God! That's what you ordered?
For class.
And that's all you ordered? Excuse me?
That's what Grandma's calls back.
Okay, and you ran my phone hot.
Come on. You should be doing this. Let's go.